In the last video clip, we learned the creation method of standard spline shape. But in this class, we learned the creation method of extended spline. So first you have to click on the shape icon, then click on the spline. A drop down will open. From this drop down list, you have to select extended spline. So I click here, and here you can see some extended spline shape available here. So first I select W rectangle and click and drag. Creation method is same. First create a rectangle and release your mouse. Now you can see this tool is still connected with the shape. So click again here and a donut type shape is created, but it for rectangle. In donut you can see two circles are placed. Same as here, two rectangles are placed. In the parameter bar you can see length, width and thickness option, same as donut shape. So in case if you want to change something, go to modify section and change from length, width and thickness parameter. Now I select our next shape, so I click on the create button and choose angle. So I click here, and in the parameter bar you can see length, width and thickness option available here. So first I click and drag and create a angle. So a L shape is created. By moving your mouse up and down you can define thickness. Then I right click to exit from the creation mode and then go to modify section to modify the length, width or thickness. So first I change thickness from here. Length and width are very simple, just click and drag to change. If you want to apply roundness on the corner radius option available here, so you can apply roundness on the corner also. Same as I increase value for this edge radius, and this will applied here. Now I zoom out little bit and create our next shape, that is white flange. So click and drag and a capital letter I icon will be created. Go to modify section and here you can see length, width and thickness parameter available here, same as corner radius also available here. Our next shape is a channel, so I click here and then create a channel that look like a capital letter C. Parameters are same, length, width and thickness, so no need to modify anything in case if you didn't want to modify. Our last shape is a T, so I just click and drag. Capital letter T icon is created with the T. So these are extended spline that available inside 3ds Max.